Well, hello tubes, how's everybody doing today? Now I'm going to change backup cameras here. Now I have no idea if this is going to work or not, but this is the one I want to install because there's night vision. It's made by Sky. Purchased this pretty cheap on Amazon for $15 or whatever it was. So taking this one off, I already removed my license plate, so I don't want to show that on YouTube or anything. So but it's actually quite simple, quite quick and easy how to do it, as long as you have two hands. So see, I got it all in there strapped up. So if you look up underneath here, you'll see how I got it all hooked up. So I know it's a big mess, but reach up under here, you pull this apart like that. See, I got it twist tied, so I'm gonna have to cut that up right back. There, I got everything all removed now. See, this is the main cable for the camera. You just have to pop it out like that, and everything's all unhooked. Just quick and easy, simple. Now we just go back out here and then just remove the old one out of the way. Now, like I said, I have no idea if this is going to work or not. So, but we'll give her a shot because I would like to have the night vision because the other camera. Whoops, that's good for it, isn't it? Because the other camera don't have it. It don't show up very good when you're. Oops. And it don't show up very good when you're trying to back up at night. So, which, like again, I don't really use it all that much, but that's the way it goes. Go back up underneath here. We'll rehook everything back up again, if I can. So, but that's one hooked up. Where's the other one gone? Oh, there it is, right there. Hit me right in the chin. So, there we go. So we're back out here again. I just want to hook it up like it normally is. Sorry about it being so close, but it's kind of hard to do it with one hand. So, put that in. Put this one in. There we go. Go to the truck and we'll see how it works. So we're back into the truck now. We'll see if this thing works. Well, it's coming out. That's a good sign. Oh wow, that's a lot better, a lot clearer. Yeah, I like that. So yeah, with this Pyle stereo, the camera that came with it is not the greatest. So I went out and bought one off Amazon .ca. I think it was only $15 or something like that, but it's a lot better quality camera and stuff like that. It's a lot clearer, and of course it's lined up with everything, so it's a lot straighter. Yeah, that's my garage door that you see back there. So I would work in there, but the car is okay to pull in there, but when you pull the truck in, there's not much space left. So it's just easier to work outside, even though that's cold here in Toronto, Ontario. But we all know what's coming, right? All of the cold weather and the snow shoveling and the back breaking is all coming soon. So we all know what's coming. So I know it's not much of a video or bad camera work and everything, which I do apologize for that. But yep. So yeah, that's a lot clearer, a lot better. So I'm happy with it. So Anyways, tubes, you guys have a good day, and we'll see you next time. Well, hello, tubes. Just a quick update about how the camera is after dark, because there's night vision on this. So we'll fire this up. We'll pop her in the reverse, and we'll see how it is. There she's, slow thing coming open now. There's headlights behind us, but yeah, I don't know about that. I don't know about that at all. Yeah, I don't know if it's because the headlights behind us or what it is, but I don't like that at all. Good in the daytime, but not good right now, so hold on, tubes, we're right back. I just went out and tried to wipe it off. It looked like there might have been something on the screen, but I don't think so. Well, maybe that's what it is, yeah, because it looks a little better. Might have to take some Windex or something to it and look at it. So, but maybe do that tomorrow. But right now I gotta, or I'm going elsewhere. So, but anyways, tubes, just quick update. So, okay, everybody, have a good day or have a good night. We'll see you next time.